how to close all tabs in Safari. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, are you tired of closing all the tabs in Safari individually? Then today I'm going to show you how you can close all tabs at the same time. For that, open up your Safari, then go to the two squares on the bottom right. Now, if you have many tabs open like this, it will appear here. Now, if you want to delete all the tabs except one, then just long press on the tab that you want to keep, and then you can see close other tabs option. Tap on it, and then there you go. All the tabs will be closed and only one tab will remain. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.